Here we are again at the Jizz Motorsports Man Cave, Dinosaur Cave. This place is huge. What are we doing today? I don't know. We got the element on the hoist, and we're doing this. Filler neck, fuel tank pillar neck. The original one is leaking, and it's so corroded under there. So that's what we're doing today. So we gotta take off all this plastic splash guards. Yeah, sure, thanks. Just to get to it, we'll see how difficult this is. Hoping we don't have to drop the rear subframe here, just to snake this thing in. It looks like it'll be fine. Oh man, just removing this plastic thing is so nasty. Oh, I don't want to make a mess in your garage floor. Oh, that is so bad. Is this a common thing for elements? CRVs? It probably is. It is a 18-year-old car. I guess you could expect this kind of stuff. But that's rough. Anyways, should be good. I guess we gotta get to those hoses now. They're just factory hose clamps. Damn, it's corroded. It's gonna be it's not gonna be a fun job.
It's on pretty good. It's a. Oh yeah, it's one.
Oh, nice. Okay, we were afraid of that one. Just that one though, no problem. That's yours, right?
Yeah.
But this one will be fine. This will be easy. This one's not even rusted. I already got the hose clamps off. Should we reuse these hose clamps? Yeah, why not? They're actually factory Honda clamps. They're not your typical Gator clamps. I'll reuse these for sure.
Let's change these bolts.
Oh yeah, for sure. It's just the one bolt though.
Yeah.
Just the 110 mil bolt.
Was there more brackets on the new one?
This one right here.
Okay.
This one's not rusted.
Oh, this is fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Could we even reuse that bolt?
We'll see.
I think it'll be fine. So this won't take long at all. Alright, we gotta cut that hose for that zip tie. Alright. Not bad.
Brand new car.
It's just this part is gonna be bad. Imagine doing this while you're lying on the ground.
Yeah, let's pull this.
Is it off now?
Yeah. Well, basically, you gotta pull this out.
Oh, this is the tricky part. You guys couldn't snake it out.
Yeah.
We could just
cut
break it.
We could cut it, yeah.
We could just break that in half and probably will. But what about the new one?
Well, let's see if there's a way. Oh, that's why they dropped the cradle.
Yeah, that's what.
To get it out,
That's
yeah.
exactly why.
Makes sense.
But
Yeah, that's why they dropped. Well, this is lower the cradle in.
are you serious? Are you sure? Because we can't just roll one side. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try and snake it out. There's got to be a way. Like now.
Oh yeah.
Hold on.
I'll pull this way. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there you go. It's almost clear. Well, this one we could easily break and have it come out.
Oh yeah. I mean, it'll break anyways in half right now if we force on it. But getting the other one, let's just break this off and let's see if we can snake the new one in.
Okay. What's the other side on?
Oh man, it's like, it's just soft putty right now.
You could bend the other one.
Sweet.
Bend the new one the same way.
Oh man. Okay, now the tricky part is getting the new one in. That's so bad.
There you go.
There we go. You can reuse it again. Done. Oh man, after quite a bit of fiddling and playing with it and snaking this thing in. Can you lift it up? Oh, where are you? Yeah, we can lift up the hoist now. We got it in. I can see why people are dropping this cradle, this rear subframe here, just to be able to snake this in. I can see why, but well, as you can see, we never had to drop it. So all you guys that are doing this on your CRVs and Elements, it's possible, definitely possible.
We've only been doing this for 15 minutes.
15 minutes tops. And we're gonna be done within the half hour. What?
It doesn't line up with the hole.
Oh, we'll bend it.
Go bend it.
That'll center, that piece of plastic will center that, the filler itself. I mean, I hope. Alright, it's all done. That was really quick. That wasn't hard at all. Well, it's easy because we got the car on the lift. Would have been a little harder if we had to do this while lying on our backs. So that's done for the filler neck. That's gonna last another 25 years. But we're not quite done because what we're replacing next are these. That's to replace these sway bar links, which are notorious for going bad and clunking. So might as well just replace them now. And these are gonna take 2 seconds to install.
Because you can actually access it.
Oh,
The one on the frame bottom?
I'm just doing some finishing touches here.
This one you could do.
The one on the bottom, no problem.
Yeah, no, right?
Wow, this was a lot easier than I thought it would be. It's kind of scaring me.
Well, I think it would be a lot more difficult on the ground.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I'm pretty sure.
This is all good.
There's only 3 of these, I think.
All done.
What was it last time? EVAP.
Yep.
Hey, what is it? Oh. EVAP. Well,
Still. Yep.
it's your tube.
Yep.
Yeah,
I know.
100%.
I knew right away. That's not coming back once it's reset.
Fuel cap and yeah,
Yep.
for sure. That's it.
Done. Oh man, no more problems with this thing. I hope. Not clunking. I don't know where it will be. Oh, it's just spinning, eh? This guy wants to play. Yeah, it's coming. Damn!
This one's fucked. Very. This is quite a bit of force here.
Yeah, it's the
You
tip.
can see.
It's
It's
the-
all it says it's spread.
Yeah. Oh, I
Spread.
gotcha. Spread out. So there's no way this is going back on.
No.
It's tough, eh? Okay, just finished doing all the little work on the element and just test driving it right now. We reset the code for the EVAP. It was EVAP, throwing the EVAP code, obviously, because the filler neck was leaking. So just driving around, and it's not gonna come back. So that's good. And also the biggest noticeable difference were those sway bar links. Replaced those. We had to stop recording because I just wanted to get it over and done with, and recording just takes it just gets in the way. So anyways, replace those links, and it is so quiet now. This car hasn't been quiet ever since I've owned it. It's always been clunking back there. Now I'm trying to hit these rough roads, and it's quiet. No more clunking. So that's one of those common things that go bad on the Element. I don't know if the filler necks do go bad. Depends on where your car is mostly, I guess. Kind of life it's had. So yeah, it's all done. And better stop recording. I'm hitting some traffic here. So that's it. Stay tuned for the next video. So quiet. I'm so happy about that.